सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Sri Birendra Singh, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Birendra Singh.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of today's list of business of Rajya Sabha.
Srimati Smriti Subin Irani.
On the table of the House, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Sri Payas Goyal.
I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of today's list of business.
Sri Sanwarlal Jat.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी आज की कार्रवाई की अनुसूची के क्रम संख्या 4 में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सदन पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहूंगा।
उपेंद्र कुशवाहा।
Colleague Shri Upendra Kushwaha rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against his name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Radhakrishnan P.
Sir, I beg to lay the papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Professor Dr. Ram Shankar Katharia.
On behalf of my colleague Shri Ram Shankar Katharia, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against his name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Tapan Kumar Sen. Sri Tapan Kumar Sen, not present. Sri Ayanur Manjunatha. Yo. Yes. Tapan Kumar Sen. Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour.
I lay on the table the report
Lay on the
of the
table.
Labour Standing Committee
Okay.
as mentioned in the list of business.
Thank you. Now, 0-hour submissions. Sri Sukandar Shekhar Roy.
Confiscating several registered Indian fishing trawlers in Bay of Bengal on the pretext of violating international maritime boundary line. As of date, 10 fishing trawlers with 130 fishermen have been arrested and detained in Bagherat district, Bangladesh. The state government has been requesting Ministry of External Affairs for suitable intervention for early release of both the trawlers and the fishermen. This is the first time in the history of West Bengal where so many trawlers and fishermen have been detained by Bangladesh. It is understood that on 8 July 2014, the Permanent Court of Arbitration had given an award to resolve a maritime boundary dispute between India and Bangladesh. As a result of this award, some changes had taken place in the maritime boundary of the two countries. However, the state is not aware of any notification based on the award was issued, enabling the state to inform the seagoing fishermen regarding change in the international maritime boundary. Therefore, I request the central government to inform the state government regarding position of notification, if any,
Please go to your
based on
seat.
the tribunal award. And
What
I
of you
demand
speak?
that the arrested fishermen should be released from the Bangladesh territory forthwith and to take steps to avoid recurrence of such incidents by the neighboring countries against the fishermen who are fishing in the Bay of Bengal, particularly on the West Bengal side of Bay of Bengal. And I demand immediate steps from the government of India to have a dialogue with the Bangladesh government for release of the fishermen and the trawlers without further loss of time.
No,
Sir,
one second. Since all of you are shouting, I am not able to understand what you are shouting for. If you go to your seat and one of you stand up and raise the point, then I am ready. No, you go to your seat and one of you raise. I'm ready to listen to it.
Sir, I'll tell you why we are
No.
shouting.
So,
Sir, I will tell you. They don't tell you.
yes, Sri Navadeva Krishnan. I will allow you. I will allow you also. I will allow you. Navadeva Krishnan, I allowed first. I will allow you. I will allow you, Derek O'Brien. First I called Navadeva Krishnan. I will call you, Derek. I will give you a chance. Yes, Sri Navadeva Krishnan. But please go to your seat. I am allowing him. See, Navadeva Krishnan, you don't need their protection. I am here to protect you. You please go to your seat. Please, Navadeva Krishnan. Now, please go to your seat.
Yes, sir. Let him rise, sir. You rise, sir.
You also let me listen. I will listen to you also. What you want to speak, I will listen.
1 minute.
Please.
In the recently concluded railway
I will allow you. See, no, why should I object? I only object to coming to the well and shouting. Otherwise, house is yours. You can't discuss anything. I have no objection. If you don't want to go over, I have no objection. We can discuss. Please go back to your seat. No, please. No, let me listen to. No, Derek O'Brien. I allowed Navadeva Krishnan. You are not wanting to say. Derek O'Brien. What is your problem? Derek O'Brien, please. Derek O'Brien, why don't you allow him? No, that is the point I want. I agreed I will listen to you. I agreed I will listen to you. If you keep quiet, I will ask Derek O'Brien to keep quiet. Yes, Navadeva Krishnan will speak now. Derek O'Brien will keep quiet for some time. Navadeva Krishnan, what is your problem?
In the recently concluded Railway Recruitment Board examination conducted by the Southern Railway, a highly objectionable question was given as question number 43. It was highly mischievous and misleading. A question regarding the removal of leaders from the public office due to purported charges based on certain allegations. It is highly improper to have included the name of our esteemed leader, Puratchi Thalavi Amma, in one of the one of the questions. That one of the objective type questions.
Then you give proper notice. Okay. If you want, you give proper notice. What is Derek O'Brien? Yes. Now Derek O'Brien.
Yes, sir.
You can give a notice. You can give a notice. Give a notice.
Yes, sir.
Give a notice.
Sir, now give us a
If you give a notice, give a proper notice.
Sir.
Give a proper notice. Derek O'Brien, please.
Sir.
Derek O'Brien.
Sir, you gave us an opportunity. We sat down. No, this is not good.
Yeah. Let me listen to.
We listened.
No,
Sir, we listened.
you had your say. Now you cannot shout.
We
Now
listened.
ADMK members,
We listened.
you had your say. Now
We
you
listened.
cannot shout.
Thank you.
See, the House listened to your point. Now you cannot shout. You
Sir.
had your say. Now you should not. Then that is unfair. Derek O'Brien, what is your problem?
Thank you. Sir, the point is very simple. There are so many points. There is conversion, there is petrol, but all those are very important points.
Why are you agitated?
I am agitating for, sir, the president of the BJP. is writing the script for the CBI. He is making
No,
the
you
predictions.
cannot bring an
Political
allegation
vendetta.
against a person
Sir,
who
this
cannot
is
come and
political
defend here.
vendetta. I've given a notice.
Don't bring an allegation
No, no.
against a person who
Sir, there
cannot
is proof.
come and defend here.
Sir, there is proof.
You cannot, yeah,
Sir,
you
listen to
cannot
what
bring
I'm
an
saying.
allegation.
Sir,
You
listen
can
to what I'm saying.
allegation against members who can
Sir,
come
the
and
CBI
defend here.
is being used for political vendetta. The CBI is being used for political vendetta, sir. Please
Okay,
understand.
you give notice
No,
for
no,
that.
I've given the notice.
You give notice.
Sir,
Oh, yes. You give notice. On
sir,
leader
please
of the
give
house.
the
Yes.
notice. Sir, no.
Yes, leader of the house would like to react.
Sir.
Please listen.
Sir, there are...
No, listen. Leader of the house is going to react. Please.
Sir, my friends from the ADMK have raised an issue. I'll certainly bring it to the notice of the Railway Minister. He will examine the propriety or the impropriety of what has happened and have the matter fairly looked into. As far as my friend from Derek O'Brien is concerned, there is no question of government or any political leader being involved in what the CBI is doing. The case he is referring to is a case which is being monitored by the Supreme Court of India, and the CBI in this case acts independently and reports the matter only to the Supreme Court of India. The government has nothing to do with this matter.
Okay, now we will have 0 hour. 0 hour. No, that is clear.
What?
Now this question.
No. What
Leader of the house, that's okay. Yeah.
Sir, what? One second.
Yes.
मैंने 267 रूल का नोटिस दिया है 267 for the suspension of all the rules and the question are ये suspension of business का हमने किस लिए मांग की? देश के अंदर
You have given notice?
यस देश के अंदर एक गंभीर परिस्थिति है जो बड़े सुनियोजित तरीके से हमारे समाज के अंदर विघटन, ध्रुवीकरण, तनाव और टकराव का एक षड्यंत्र है जिसमें एक प्रभावी संगठन जो अपने आप को केवल एक सांस्कृतिक संगठन और सामाजिक संगठन का नकाब डाल के घूमते हैं, मुखौटा लगाकर, उन्होंने देश के अंदर बड़े प्रांतों में एक ऐसा कार्यक्रम बनाया है धर्म परिवर्तन का, घर वापसी का, जिससे ये देश विस्फोटक स्थिति हमारे समाज में हो गई है।
ये नोटिस दी है या अभी चर्चा कर रहे हैं?
और इसको हम स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते।
माननीय सदस्य ने नोटिस दी है कि नोटिस पे चर्चा शुरू कर दी है इन्होंने?
हमारे संविधान
क्या
के
आपने
खिलाफ
नोटिस
है।
एडमिट की है क्या?
ये संविधान, भारत के संविधान की इज्जत होनी
सभापति
चाहिए।
महोदय,
हम धर्म
17 तारीख को 17 दिसंबर को
देश है,
खुद
बहुभाषी देश
माननीय
है,
सदस्य
यहाँ हर
की
संस्कृति
नोटिस
के
पर
लोग
चर्चा
हैं।
होने वाली है, इसलिए चर्चा करने चाहिए हम तैयार हैं।
सदन का ये
जिस चीज पर चर्चा करने चाहिए तैयार है,
इस पे
लेकिन
चर्चा
ये
होगी।
तरीका नहीं है कि आप हर दिन जवाब उठा कर
No, बीच में मत बोलिए आप।
क्या नोटिस आपने दिया कि नोटिस पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं? क्या नोटिस एडमिट की गई है?
से टोक रहे हैं।
नोटिस इज नॉट एडमिटेड।
Mr. Anand Sharma.
देखिए आप हमारी बात सुन लें।
No, please, Mr. Anand Sharma. Yes.
ये केवल मेरे दल की तरफ से नहीं है, समूचा विपक्ष इस पे चिंतित है।
I am giving a ruling on that.
अंदर समाज के अंदर जो परिस्थिति होगी,
I want to give a
हिंदुस्तान
I am giving a ruling on that.
अगर इनके मंसूबे कायम हो गए,
I am giving a ruling on that. Now you listen to.
कुछ नहीं है देश में, हम इनके मंसूबों को कामयाब नहीं होते देना चाहते। ये हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है
No,
हम
please.
तमाम राजनीतिक दलों का कि
No,
देश को, समाज को तोड़ने और बांटने का काम जो इस साजिश है,
Now you listen to me.
हमारी जिम्मेवारी है।
Now you listen to me. Now you listen to me. Yes, it is correct. It is correct that Anand Sharma, please, let me give a ruling on that. I have to give a ruling on. Now, it is correct that you have given notice
Listen to us and
on suspension.
Same issue.
Okay.
All of us have given. Now, sir, what we are saying is the business of the House will have to be suspended
and let there be a proper discussion on this entire issue that is taking place in the country. And before that, there is no further business according to us, which is more important. And sir, आज ये अखबारों में पढ़ा है हमने कि क्रिसमस के दिन, आप भी उसके साथ आपका भी जुड़ाव है, क्रिसमस के दिन ये कहा गया कि आज जो है वो क्या एक कंपटीशन लगा रहे हैं जहां पर गुड गवर्नेंस पे और पूरे स्कूलों को खुला रहने का आज जो है वो नोटिस आया.
Authenticating as true the report appearing in the newspaper?
I'm sorry?
Since you are holding up the house, are you authenticating that report to be true?
Yes, I'm saying
No, the report is factually false.
Does the government have...
The report is factually false.
That report is wrong. The government is saying...
Hold your horses.
There are orders of the government that have been
No,
quoted.
you go by the assurance of the government.
Functioning on
government is...
Sir, I may clarify. The HRD minister just told me there is no instruction, no school is functioning on Christmas Day. There is only an online essay competition which is on. That's all.
That's okay.
Sir,
all right.
Sir, my objection is to the following. Sir, my objection is to the following. That on Gandhi Jayanti, you have a program of Swachh Bharat. On Christmas Day, you want a program for good governance. Then there is this entire campaign on religious conversions that's going on. All this is a whole package that we think is very dangerous to the very constitutional guarantees that have been given.
For the notice under 267.
Sir, what the issue the leader of the opposition raised, and it's all part of the whole package which we think is an assault on our secular democratic constitution. There is nothing more important to discuss in this August House than that. So suspend all the business and let us discuss these issues.
Now,
suspend
okay.
All
right. Now let me give my ruling after that. Yes, honorable members, Sri Anand Sharma and others have given notice for the suspension of the Rule 267. Yes, it is true, a notice is given, but that can be moved only with the consent of the chairman, and honorable chairman has not given consent for the motion. Consent is not given. 267 motion, no consent is given. Yes, Ram Gopal ji.
ये धर्म परिवर्तन के नाम पर एक राजनीतिक दल और उसके सहयोगी संगठन पूरे देश में अशांति पैदा करना चाहते हैं, धार्मिक उन्माद पैदा करना चाहते हैं और सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव को समाप्त करना चाहते हैं. और ये
Okay, you raise now. Let us go to 0 hour now. Now let us go to 0 hour. Suspension is not allowed. Suspension motion is ruled out. So we will go to 0 hour. We will go to 0 hour. Sri Pramod Tiwari. I'll have to go. Suspension motion is ruled out. Overruled. Because it has to be moved only with the consent of the chairman, and no consent is given. So it is consent of the chair, not consent. So ruled out. So I am going to 0 hour.
Have the permission for the suspension of the business and to discuss this matter, I'm afraid we owe it to the people of India to force a discussion. We will not allow, therefore, any business until this issue is settled. पहले ये पहले सेटल होगी कि देश कैसा रहेगा, कैसा भारत रहेगा, हम इसको स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, Mr. Naqvi, I'll have to adjourn the house. That's the only way.
सर ये विपक्ष है,
Mr. Naqvi,
आपके द्वारा जो रूलिंग दी गई है उसको चैलेंज कर रहे हैं। You are challenging the ruling. What is going on?
Sir, is the chair being threatened? Is the chair being threatened? This is unprecedented.
House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours. Adjourned up to 12:00 hours.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Message, one minute, message from Lok Sabha.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th of December 2014 passed the Coal Mines Special Provisions Bill 2014. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Question 276.
Question 276, sir.
What's your problem?
Question 276.
What is the problem?
Question 276.
What is
Sir, question 276.
The deputy chairman sitting in the chair had allowed me to raise an issue which I raised, and the honorable leader of the house had said that do I authenticate what I am saying. I had said that the issue of conversions that was raised is a part of a larger package of trying to undermine the secular democratic foundations of the Constitution of India. And this is along with the
What is the
notification.
substantive point?
Sir, please, sir. 1 minute. This is along with the notification saying that on the day of Christmas, 25th of December, there will be a nationwide campaign.
What do you want
Please, sir,
to be done?
Please, nationwide campaign on the issue of good governance. That it will not be a holiday. And he said, do you authenticate it? I hereby authenticate that Navodaya schools have been asked. This is the media report. Navodaya schools have been asked to be closed down on the Christmas day. And I'm handing it over to the Secretary.
Fine, you can authenticate the document and leave it to the... Okay, then we take up question 276.
Sir, question 276. Question 276.
Everybody can't speak at the same time. What is the... शरद जी क्या कह रहे हैं आप? क्या?
सस्पेंशन करके बोल चुके हैं। रूल 267 के तहत मैंने नोटिस दिया है। समूचे विपक्ष एक मत का है।
I think the chair has already said that your notice has not been accepted.
ये बड़ा गंभीर विषय है। ये गंभीर विषय है। देश के संविधान की बात है, समाज की एकता की बात है। भारत इसको स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता। हमारा एक देश के प्रति, देश की जनता के प्रति।
But please allow the questioner to proceed.
हम अपने कर्तव्य से बाध्य हैं। हम इसको जब तक ये विषय सुलझा नहीं जाता।
Why is everybody shouting at the same time? House is adjourned for 10 minutes.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
All right, 276, sir. 276. 276.
Question 276.
No, please, 1 minute. Question hour, please. Not during question hour. Not during question hour.
Derek O'Brien, the honorable leader of the House, made certain remarks. No, sir,
Please.
he is not here to clarify,
So
but I would like
there's
to
no
mention
point raising it. He's not in the House,
the
sir.
House of Leader did not mention that the CBI is reporting to PMO, and in February this year, a complaint has been made with the CBI in regard to one Delhi-based company which has
What has that to do with the question hour?
cheated 47,000 crores of rupees from the people. And not a single arrest has been made. Not a single person has been arrested.
Please sit down.
What is discrimination? I want to know from the government that what is discrimination.
Let us now start with question hour. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Against our ministers, the party functionaries
Thank you very much.
telling in the public
Please
meeting
sit down.
that next time
Please
these
sit down.
gentlemen will be arrested. And
Please,
it is
please sit down.
It is the CBI is following the direction of the party functionaries of the BJP.
शरद जी क्या
Sir,
कह रहे
I
हैं?
want to know the of the government. What about in regard to the
शरद जी आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? जी जी प्लीज 1 minute let me hear. That's all right, thank you, please sit down. Sharad ji, please, no, this is not going on record. Sharad ji, आप क्या कह रहे हैं? Before we take up question hour.
सभापति जी, मैं बहुत विनती के साथ आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, देश जिस हालत से गुजर रहा है, इसमें क्वेश्चन अवर जितना महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। जो मेंबरों ने रूल्स का सस्पेंशन करके एक ऐसी स्थिति है जो देश में एनार्की पैदा कर सकती है। इस पर पार्लियामेंट से यदि बहस नहीं होगी तो इतने दुष्परिणाम बाहर आगे आने वाले हैं कि इसका कोई वर्णन नहीं हो सकता। बहुत आशंका से भरे हुए सारे मेंबर, सारा देश चिंतित है। यदि मेरी विनती है कि इस पर बहस हो जाए तो कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ऐसे मामले जो है वो इस देश में कहाँ ले जाएंगे। हम प्रियम्बल जो है हिंदुस्तान का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का जो प्रियम्बल है उसके तक खिलाफ जा रहे हैं।
थैंक यू। आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? 1 minute 1 minute बैठ जाइए
सर। आदरणीय शरद जी ने जो बात कही है,
1 minute बैठ जाइए। नहीं बैठ जाइए। सत्यव्रत जी जरा बैठ जाइए प्लीज, जरा बैठ जाइए 1 minute।
धर्म और जात के मसले कठिन मसले, सदियों पुरानी बीमारी है ये। आज इसलिए इस पर जो है वो सरकार कर हमारे बीच में एक सहमति बनना चाहिए, और नहीं बनेगी तो देश के लिए काफी खतरा आगे आने वाला है। आप खुद महसूस करेंगे।
ठीक है, आप बताइए
ये जो लोगों ने दिया सस्पेंड करके इसको कराइए।
1 minute।
आदरणीय शरद जी जो बात कह रहे हैं, हमारी भी उतनी ही चिंता है। हम जिम्मेदारी के साथ,
भाई आप बार-बार
के साथ देश का
सुन लीजिए उनकी बात। 1 minute बैठ
कायम रहे,
प्लीज सिट डाउन।
इसके लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।
डोंट इंटरफेयर विद
ताकत देश की शांति और देश की सौहार्द को नहीं बिगाड़ पाएगी। ये हमारी प्रतिबद्धता है, ये हमारा संकल्प है। जहां तक सवाल है चर्चा का, इस चर्चा का सवाल है 17 तारीख को ये चर्चा तय है। अगर चेयर चाहती है, तो कभी भी किसी भी समय हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं, और चेयर जब भी चाहे, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है, आप जब चाहे चर्चा करने हम तैयार हैं चर्चा के लिए।
प्लीज no please don't do this. Okay, look, 1 minute.
हमारे अपोजिशन के उन्होंने एक नोटिस दिया आपको, सस्पेंशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आवर। अब वो सुबह के टाइम पे
let notice be given for a discussion, not for suspension.
No sir,
we will look at it.
Sir, the point is on this religious conversions, it is important we come to a certain conclusion in the house. If we do not do that,
please
it is do not do that,
please
sir, this is very urgent and important, sir.
House is adjourned till 2 p.m.
मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
Now calling attention to matter of urgent public importance. Shri Muhammad Ali Khan. Calling attention.
मैं आपसे कुछ कहना चाह रहा हूँ। उपसभापति महोदय, आप हमारी 1 मिनट। आज सुबह से सदन में एक विषय उठाया गया जो हमारे दृष्टिकोण से एक बहुत गंभीर चुनौती देश के सामने है, संकट है, जो हमारे संविधान का भी सीधी अवहेलना होती है, कानून की अवहेलना होती है, और सांप्रदायिक तनाव और टकराव की परिस्थितियां देश में बन सकती हैं। देश में एक नहीं कई हिस्सों के अंदर इस तरह की घटनाएं सामने आई हैं, और जैसा सुबह कहा गया मैंने और अन्य राजनीतिक दल के नेताओं ने जो प्रतिपक्ष में हैं, कि एक सुनियोजित तरीके से एक अभियान चलाया जा रहा है जिसके कारण गंभीर परिणाम देश को भुगतने पड़ सकते हैं। इस विषय को लेकर, इससे संबंधित बातों को लेकर मैं इसी सदन तक अपने आप को सीमित रखूंगा। इस सदन में चर्चा हुई थी पिछले सत्र के अंदर और आश्वासन दिया गया था सरकार की तरफ से, गृह मंत्री की तरफ से, कि इस तरह की चीज़ें नहीं होंगी। प्रधानमंत्री एक दूसरे संदर्भ में सदन में आए थे, उन्होंने भी कहा कि इस तरह की बयानों की, इस तरह की घटनाओं की वो पक्ष में नहीं है। उसके बावजूद भी ये चल रहा है और चिंता की बात ये है कि जो सत्ताधारी दल है उससे संबंधित लोग भी इसमें लिप्त हैं, वही लोग कर रहे हैं। इसलिए हमने जो बात कही कि विषय ऐसा है, ये सदन उस पर चर्चा तो करे, पर आश्वस्त कौन करे देश को, सदन को, और इसका समाधान कैसे निकले। समाधान तभी निकल सकता है जैसा हमने सब ने एक आवाज में एक बात कही कि प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं इस बात का जवाब दें, सदन को आश्वस्त करें, देश को आश्वस्त करें कि कार्रवाई, वरना अगर वो आश्वस्त नहीं करते, कोई आश्वासन पूर्ण नहीं होगा, किसी आश्वासन का कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि पहले आश्वासन मिल चुके हैं हमको और उसके सामने जो हो रहा है आश्वासन के बाद, वो अच्छी बात नहीं।
Now the point is, please.
Clear that the opposition doesn't want a discussion.
No, please.
In the morning, आज सुबह केवल मांग ये थी कि डिस्कशन हो, रूल सस्पेंड हो। हमने कहा तुरंत हम डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार हैं। अब डिस्कशन के ऊपर 4 और कंडीशन लगाएंगे तो ये स्पष्ट है कि आप डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार नहीं हैं।
No, please. Yes. No, Ram Gopal, I will call you. I called him first. Already called him. I already called Ram Gopal.
सुबह ये बात,
Actually, I will call you.
अभी नई बात ये है,
एक मिनट, मुझे अभी SMS किया एक बड़े पत्रकार ने, उत्तर प्रदेश के बदायूं, मैनपुरी, आजमगढ़, फिरोजाबाद और कन्नौज में अंदर से जल्दी ही धर्म परिवर्तन के नाम पर अशांति पैदा करने की कोशिश की जाएगी। मानवर ये 5 वो क्षेत्र हैं जहां से समाजवादी
Let us discuss. When you discuss, we can take a more discussion.
ये अशांति पैदा करने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं आगे?
Okay.
सर मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा,
हम तैयार हैं
सर,
इस पर चर्चा करिए, हम तैयार हैं,
हम डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार हैं,
हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं। आप चर्चा से भाग रहे हैं,
लेकिन
सवाल ये है, हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं,
दूसरे हाउस में
आप चर्चा शुरू करिए, आप चर्चा शुरू करिए, जो भी चर्चा करना चाहते हैं आप।
2 माननीय दूसरे हाउस के सदस्य जाकर इस तरीके के भाषण दिए धर्म परिवर्तन के बारे में। तो आज सिर्फ चर्चा करने से ये आश्वासन बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं हो रहा सर। दूसरे हाउस में देखा, दूसरे हाउस में हुआ था चर्चा, दूसरे हाउस में चर्चा हुआ था और उसी दिन रात को दूसरे हाउस के जो सम्माननीय सदस्य हैं वो जाकर इसी प्रकार के भाषण दिए हैं और इसी तरीके से तनाव पैदा किए हैं। डिस्कशन का मतलब कुछ नहीं है जब तक प्रधानमंत्री आकर आश्वासन नहीं देंगे कि इस तरीके के कार्रवाई ये सरकार करेगी उनके ऊपर, बिना उसके डिस्कशन का कोई मतलब नहीं है। हम चाहते हैं डिस्कशन हो, प्रधानमंत्री आए यहाँ पे और वो ये आश्वासन दे, वो हमारा मांग है। क्योंकि सिर्फ हम सर, वी आर नॉट ए टॉकिंग शॉप, वी आर नॉट ए टॉकिंग शॉप where we go on talking which is meaningless. We want that discussion to be followed up with some action. And in the morning, honorable leader of the opposition asked me to authenticate. I have authenticated the media reports.
But without discussion, how do you arrive at a solution?
No, the solution is we want an assurance of action from the government. And that can only happen if the Prime Minister comes and gives that assurance. Because there is no other authority in this government except the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister will have to come and give that assurance here before the House. प्रधानमंत्री,
उन्होंने ये आरोप लगाया कि विपक्ष इस पर बहस नहीं करना चाहता है। हमारा कहना यह है कि हम सिर्फ अकेली बहस नहीं करना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि बहस के बाद उसके परिणाम निकले। सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं। मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए।
मिस्टर चतुर्वेदी,
सीने में नहीं तो
मिस्टर चतुर्वेदी, आफ्टर डिस्कशन गवर्नमेंट विल रिप्लाई
करनी चाहिए। इसका समाधान निकलना चाहिए।
होम मिनिस्टर विल रिप्लाई। आई थिंक
चर्चा हो, समाधान निकले, इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री का होना जरूरी है। और प्रधानमंत्री अगर यहाँ नहीं है तो इसका मतलब है कि प्रधानमंत्री को हाउस की कोई परवाह नहीं,
That's okay.
देश की कोई परवाह नहीं।
A few. See, sir. All of you are standing. What do I do? I can't hear you.
Said a few days ago, a statement was made by the Honorable Member of Parliament, the Sadhviji. After that, After that, the Prime Minister came, and we listened to him very patiently with full respect, and we toned down our full demand. Unfortunately, what is happening, we really want a serious discussion. The only way, hold on, sir. No, hold on. Sir, you hold on. The Prime Minister has to be heard. Otherwise, there will be no discussion. The Prime Minister has to be heard. Call him here. Where is he? Where is the Prime Minister? Campaigning.
Sit down. Please. The honorable members, I heard the submissions made by senior leaders of the House. To the best of my knowledge, there is a consensus for a discussion in this House on this subject. That is what I have been given to understand. Yes, in the morning, in the 0 hour and the question hour, the issue was raised. After that, the leaders met and there is already consensus for discussion. Now, in a parliamentary democracy, discussion and debate, that can only lead to some solution. That can only... Yes, I agree. Yeah. Yes, let me say, I got your point. Mr. Yechuri, I got your point. Yes, discussion should be followed by action. Who is to assure action? That is the government. Let me say, government. And the government is ready for discussion and ready for giving assurance. Now, let me say, but to insist, if you insist, this, as far as I know, this is a... No, madam, please. No, please. In this, I will come. I will allow you. I will allow you. Sit down. Now, please, Mistry, sit down, Mistry. You know, I am standing and I am saying something. Show some discipline. I am saying something. So, see, the government, it is a matter pertaining to Home Ministry. I can understand if you are asking that Home Minister should come and reply. Now, I have no problem if you ask the Prime Minister. Please. I have no problem if you ask that the Prime Minister should also reply. But chair cannot direct. You should remember that government is on collective responsibility. So a cabinet minister, it is collective responsibility, joint responsibility. Therefore, chair cannot ask the government that a particular minister, whether Prime Minister or anybody else, should come and reply. If Home Minister is able to come and reply, I think that is okay. On that line, I think we can start the discussion. Leader of the House.
Honorable Prime Minister assured, but immediately after that, again members of his party, of the Parliament, continue to make such very extremely inflammatory and provocative speeches. Now, what is the meaning of that assurance? No other minister is able to give any assurance. So we want the Prime Minister to come and give that assurance. That is the point.
Leader of the House, you want to say something? Yes. Yeah, please. Leader of the House. Leader of the House.
The House, yes.
No, let him.
He is ill.
After that, you can.
He is ill.
He's ill. Okay.
मेरा आपके माध्यम से सरकार से ये आग्रह रहेगा कि विषय की गंभीरता को देखते हुए सरकार का कर्तव्य बनता है आश्वस्त करना। इस सदन में क्योंकि गृह मंत्री पहले आश्वासन दे चुके, दूसरे माननीय सदन में जो हमारे संसदीय कार्य मंत्री आश्वासन दे चुके, उसके बावजूद जैसे सीताराम येचुरी जी ने कहा ये निरंतर हो रहा है, इसलिए चिंता है कि इसके परिणाम क्या होंगे देश के लिए। और संविधान का सबने हमने जिक्र किया है, पहले भी इसके प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं, कई उदाहरण हैं जब इस सदन में दूसरे सदन में ऐसे विषय को गंभीरता को समझते हुए सरकार ने उसको पहचाना और सदन में, मैं आज की नहीं 90 के दशक की बात कर रहा हूं, मैं उन 3 उदाहरण को सामने देना चाहता हूं। मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, जब प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं सदन में आए थे। अगर प्रधानमंत्री संसद का सम्मान करते हैं, इससे ज्यादा महत्व की कोई बात नहीं हो सकती कि वो आए, आश्वस्त करें और जैसा कहा गया समाधान भी हो, परिणाम भी निकले।
नहीं सर, सर
आप इंटरेस्टेड डिस्कशन में है नहीं, आप डिस्टर्बेंस करने में इंटरेस्टेड है।
सदन के नेता ने जो बात कही मैं उससे सहमत हूं, बहस से ही नतीजे निकलते हैं, ये बात भी सही है आपकी। लेकिन देश के बाहर जो हालात है और जो लोगों में बेचैनी बढ़ रही है, सुबह हम पेपर पढ़ते हैं और इस तरह से अरे जैन साहब बैठे ये मेरा आपसे विनती है, मैं सहमत हूं जेटली साहब से, लेकिन एक बात बताइए कि ये बहस निरंतर चले और नतीजे बाहर ना, ये सदन चलते रहे और बाहर सब तरह की ऐसे हालात बनते रहे कि देश में अकारणीय तनाव बनते रहे। मैं एक भी निवेदन करना चाहता हूं आपके माध्यम से कि मुझे नहीं मालूम कि दूसरे और संगठन क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो एमपी है सदन के, जो इलेक्टेड है उस पार्लियामेंट में, वो तो आपके हाथ में है। पार्टी के अनुशासन में रखना लोगों को, ये तो आपके हाथ में है। यदि आपने कड़ी कार्रवाई की होती तो इस देश में इतनी बुनियादी समस्याएं हैं, उनके ऊपर हम बहस कर रहे होते और आप जो चाहते हो वो हम कर रहे होते। लेकिन सवाल है कि देश तो बेचैन है और सदन चले, ये दो बात कभी नहीं हुई है इस देश में। मैं इसलिए आपके माध्यम से यह कहना चाहता हूं कि इसका समाधान और किसी से नहीं होगा। यहाँ इस पार्टी में जो हालत है, देश की हालत है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब तक इस पर कड़ाई से कोई वचन नहीं देंगे, कड़ाई से कोई काम नहीं करेंगे, तब तक इस बात का समाधान नहीं होगा। और इसके बाद यदि कोई बोलता है तो आप पार्टी से एक्शन करिए, उस पर आप उसको निकाल के बाहर करिए, कोई दूसरे की हिम्मत नहीं पड़ेगी। यदि आप ये काम नहीं करते हैं, चूंकि पार्टी के लोग जो है, पार्टी के लोग कर रहे हैं इसका एतराज कर रहे हैं, आपके पार्टी के लोग इस काम को कर रहे हैं, आपके पार्टी के लोग इस काम को कर रहे हैं, नहीं तो हम नहीं खड़े होते। आपके पार्टी के लोग इस काम को करते हैं।
डिप्टी चेयरमैन, हमारा पार्टी में किसको क्या करना हम तय करें, उनका पार्टी में किसको क्या करना वो तय करे। जहाँ तक देश में कानून के संदर्भ में किसी ने कानून का उल्लंघन किया, वहाँ सरकारें हैं, प्रदेशों में सरकार है, केंद्र में भी सरकार है। सरकार उचित कार्रवाई करेंगे, इसमें किसी का मन में कोई शंका होने की जरूरत नहीं। उपसभापति जी, मैं सुबह आपके पास आए, चेयरमैन जी के पास भी आए, मैंने विनती किया जो इश्यू हमारा विपक्ष का कुछ सदस्य उठाना चाहते उसके बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए सरकार को कोई समस्या नहीं है, इसलिए कृपया ये विषय के बारे में, कुछ लोग सीबीआई के बारे में चर्चा करना चाहते, कुछ लोग शारदा स्कैम के बारे में चर्चा करना चाहते, कुछ लोग कन्वर्शन के बारे में चर्चा करना चाहते हैं। सहारा के बारे में सर ये अच्छा किया, सहारा के बारे में कुछ लोग ये क्या तरीका है सर, कुछ लोग हमको जो प्रवचन दे रहे वो अपना लोगों को कंट्रोल करे कम से कम हाउस में, बाकी बाद में प्रवचन दे। तो मेरा कहना ये है सर, एज अ पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर आई हैव categorically stated that the government is willing to discuss every issue, each issue. And then secondly, आप कौन होता है जी, आप बैठिए ना। मेरा कहना है आप चेयर ने जो अभी चेयर ने अभी रूलिंग दिया और कहा हम बहस शुरू करेंगे, सरकार बहस करे तैयार है। मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया होम मंत्री जी को, उनका एक्चुअल बिजनेस नहीं था, फिर भी मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया, होम मंत्री जी आए, बहस शुरू करवा दीजिए और होम मंत्री जी उसका जवाब देंगे।
No, leader of the house, please. No, sit down, please.
Some of my friends in the opposition, Yachuri ji, Sharad Yadav ji, Anand Sharma ji, have raised an issue. What will the discussion lead to? It must lead to solutions. In the morning, the demand was let's have a discussion by suspending the agenda for the day. We agreed. Now a second issue has been raised. I am now suggesting an option to all my friends in the opposition. You decide and the government will accept. If you...
Please.
Madam, we are discussing seriously. Please don't.
Please.
There are two options. This must stop. There are no two opinions. We can't allow these kind of incidents to remain. Is the opposition willing for a total ban on religious conversions or a ban on forcible religious conversions? Let them tell us the option. For either of the two options, the government is ready.
No, my appeal, my appeal.
They are not ready for either of these two options.
Now my appeal to the honorable members, my appeal to the honorable members is that the Home Minister is ready for replying. Why not we take up the discussion? Let us take up the discussion. And see,
not be conveyed that the government is in a great mood for a discussion and the opposition is not. Nothing can be further from the truth. No, we want, no. Let it not be said. Wait, Mr. Rajan, let it not be said. The point is not that. The point, let me finish. The point is not that.
Home Minister is here. He is competent to
reply.
reply.
For a meaningful discussion. No.
Is he not competent to reply?
Let me say, for a meaningful discussion. Sir,
tell me, is he not competent to reply?
Allow me to say one sentence. For a meaningful discussion, which the opposition wants a discussion, we want the Prime Minister here. That's the difference.
Are you saying that the Home Minister is not competent to reply?
Get the Prime Minister here.
That some people only want to disturb the
Home Minister is
here. They
here.
are not looking for solutions. I can't understand why CPM should follow the Trinamool agenda.
The option that the leader of the opposition has given, that option has already been decided by the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India gives everybody the right to liberty. They can choose their religious profession or be an atheist.
That's all what is...
No, hang on, sir. He said choose. Choose whether you want a ban on conversions or forcible conversions. That is decided by the Constitution.
Yeah.
The issue is, what are you forcing today? What is happening is forcing. What is happening is forcing. No. Therefore, that is not the choice.
So let us discuss.
That is not the choice. That is not the choice before us. The choice is activities of elected members of parliament. The choice is activities of elected members of parliament belonging to their party. What is the action that they'll take?
Then why don't you allow discussion?
We want an answer to that, and that only the Prime Minister can give. That gives only the Prime Minister.
Yes? Who is preventing? Yes. Yes. Raja, I call Raja.
Wait.
Raja.
Sir,
Anything new?
I have a small submission, sir. Wait. I have a small submission, sir. Indian Parliament is a vibrant, sovereign parliament, and parliament is supreme in our parliamentary democracy. And what is happening in the country should be reflected in the parliament. Sir, one of our colleagues told me the situation in the country is leading to a civil war. If that is the situation, this parliament should debate, but debate should lead to some action. And government is a collective. Prime Minister is head of the collective. And Prime Minister should come and respond to the concerns expressed by the opposition parties. Country should know that government
My appeal
is
to the
also
honorable
there.
members is that let us start the discussion. Honorable Home Minister is there to reply. He is fully competent to reply. Why not? And in the discussion, let all the issues come out. At that time, you can request the Prime Minister also to come. I have no objection. But why not we discuss? Why not we discuss? I'll be forced to adjourn the House. I'll have to adjourn the House.
Sir,
I'll have to adjourn the House then.
Mr. Deputy
I'll
Chairman,
have to
sir,
adjourn the House.
we have great respect for the leader of the House and for the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. ये किसी को भी एक गलत प्रभाव नहीं होना चाहिए कि विपक्ष चर्चा नहीं चाहता, और विपक्ष का ये नहीं कि विपक्ष तय कर ले कि इस पे प्रतिबंध होना चाहिए या नहीं। यहाँ बुनियादी बात संविधान की है। वो संविधान ने तय किया, जैसे सीताराम येचुरी जी ने कहा, प्रतिपक्ष ये तय नहीं करेगा। हम ये चाहते हैं कि पूरा सदन प्रधानमंत्री की मौजूदगी में एक आवाज में देश को कहे कि भारत गणराज्य, भारत का प्रजातंत्र इसको स्वीकार नहीं करेगा, और वो प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में इस पर कार्रवाई करेंगे। क्योंकि इस सरकार के अंदर जो कार्यशैली है, मैं बड़े सम्मान से कहना चाहता हूं, अगर प्रधानमंत्री कार्रवाई करेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री उसका प्रभाव रहेगा।
Now please hear the Home Minister. I am allowing the Home Minister. No, Home Minister. Listen to Home Minister. Okay, Home Minister. Maybe he is going to say that. You sit down. Yes, let the Home Minister. The Home Minister. Listen to Home Minister. Listen to the Home Minister. No. You please listen to the Home Minister. Home Minister को बात बताने दो. Home Minister. Listen to the Home Minister, please. Yes, अब बोलिए. Home Minister is there. Then I'll be forced to adjourn the House.
सर ये सामान्य ये लोग नहीं जानते और इतना
Why don't you listen to that? This is an issue pertaining.
और ये जो
This is an issue pertaining to the Home Ministry. Home Minister want to react. Why don't you allow that?
और अराजकता का इन्हें जवाब देगी।
House is adjourned up to 3 p.m. Up to 3 p.m.
सभासदों, माननीय उप सभापति जी।
No, 1 second. I will allow you. I will call you. Sit down. Supplementary list of business statement by Minister Sushma Swaraj. ले करना. Laying only. Allowed to lay.
सभी ने संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ द्वारा 21 जून को भारत की पहल पर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस घोषित किए जाने का सुखद समाचार 11 दिसंबर की शाम को सुना। एक भारतीय होने के नाते इस सुखद समाचार पर वक्तव्य देते हुए मुझे गर्व का अनुभव हो रहा है। अध्यक्ष जी, मैं अपने वक्तव्य को सदन के पटल पर रखती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Yes, Rajnath Singh to make a statement. Lay on the table.
सभापति महोदय,
lay on the table.
के माध्यम से ISIS का प्रचार करने वाले युवक की बेंगलुरु में गिरफ्तारी के संबंध में सुओ मोटो स्टेटमेंट सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Sri P. Raji, what do you want? Wait. No, please.
Just a minute, yes, sir. Sir.
Rajiv is on a point of order. Let me listen.
Sir.
नहीं, माननीय सभापति, दोनों बयान गलत हुए। माननीय सभापति, माननीय सभापति, गलत है।
Point of order. What is Mr. Achuri? Let me listen. It's a point of order. Allow a point of order. What you are saying? That was only laying on the table statement. I allow. Laid on the table. Statement, supplementary statement. Laid on the table.
No, I want to ask clarification.
Laid on the table. That's all.
Clarification. What about clarification? What about my clarification on the statement? How can you allow a statement to be laid?
Supplementary agenda. Supplementary agenda.
No, supplementary. How can they lay when we want to ask something? How can you allow them to lay?
Supplementary I allowed. Why don't you allow your own members to say what they want to say? Sri Achuri want to say something. Sri Raji want to say something. Why don't you allow that? Let me listen to that. Naresh Agarwal want to say. You don't want to say.
Sir, I'm saying that according to the cabinet responsibilities, the Prime Minister alone can take policy decisions. This is what the Rashtrapati Bhavan communique has given out. So till the Prime Minister is not here and he doesn't announce a policy decision on taking action against all these people who are making irresponsible statements, we cannot have any discussion. We want your ruling on that. According to the distribution of responsibilities announced by the Rashtrapati Bhavan, when the Council of Ministers was sworn in, the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister alone is responsible for taking important policy decisions. And unless he is here and he assures the House that he is taking a decision against these errant members of his party who are making these ministers, there cannot be any debate on this issue.
But cabinet is collective responsibility.
Let him come.
Collective responsibility.
He alone is responsible for policy decisions. That is written in the cabinet division of responsibilities. He alone, sir, as part of the collective responsibilities, is responsible for important policy statements.
इस बात से सहमति व्यक्त की है कि सरकार पूरी तरह से चर्चा करने को तैयार है। हमारे कुछ विपक्ष के साथी डिस्कशन में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, डिस्टर्बेंस में इंटरेस्टेड है। जब सरकार ने चर्चा करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है, सरकार पूरी तरह से हर मुद्दे पर चर्चा को लेकर तैयार है। गृह मंत्री जी ने कहा, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने कहा, उसके बावजूद भी लगातार अगर डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है, ये अनफॉर्चुनेट है।
I would request you to stop shouting slogan. थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कीजिए। थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कीजिए। थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कीजिए। थोड़ी देर के लिए। थोड़ी देर के लिए। सुनो, थोड़ी देर के लिए। What is this? I have one withdraw. Let's say one bill for withdrawal and one bill for introduction.
Sir, I beg to move for leave to withdraw the Anti-Hijacking Amendment Bill 2010 introduced in the Rajya Sabha on 19th August 2010. I've introduced, sir. Withdrawal of the bill. Withdrawal and introduction. I allow
have no other go. That means you don't want discussion. I am going to adjourn. See, I have a suggestion. He is not here. He is not in Delhi. How can he come? When Prime Minister is not in Delhi, how can he come? I am going to adjourn the house. I have no other go. House is adjourned to meet on Tuesday 16th at 11 a.m.